Hi guys, Mrs. Gerhardt. Hope that you've had a wonderful spring break. I know that it's kind of more of the same, but I hope that it's given you some time to just kind of step away from schoolwork and to kind of process everything that's going on. I hope that if you celebrate Easter or Passover, that you've had wonderful holidays. I know that they look different this year than they normally do, but that you're still able to enjoy that time with family. Wanted to give a quick overview of Distance Learning Week 4, which is from April 13th to April 17th. So, first thing, to access our weekly agenda, you can either come to our regular weekly agenda button, or you may choose the big here where it says click here for Distance Learning Week 4. I'm going to choose the weekly agenda button. Two reminders, just remember you should be watching these overview videos. It just kind of is intended to give you a lay of the land ahead of time so that you know what to expect for each of your classes this week. You'll also see, and I'm going to discuss it in just a few minutes, that all of your teachers have now added office hours, and you will see those on our weekly agenda. So there was no work Friday because it was spring break. Monday, first thing, please note that there is going to be Q&A office hours between 3 and 3:30 p.m. You are going to start working on a gizmo on Monday. You're actually going to be working on it throughout the week. We're going to chunk it. So the gizmo in its entirety will be due by 10 p.m. on Friday. Please don't leave working on it until the very end. You should be working it on a little bit at a time the way we've chunked it, just because everything's going to kind of build. And we're going to use what we do this week to build for the remaining part of this fourth 9 weeks. So Miss Sweet has put together a screencast about Earth's spheres. You'll watch that, and she's actually going to do some of the warm-up and part A of the gizmo with you during that screencast. So by Monday evening, please be sure that you finish the gizmo warm-up and part A only. Don't jump ahead, you don't need to. On Tuesday for live lessons, I will see my first period from 10:45 to 11:15 a.m. And fourth period, I will see you guys from 11:30 a.m. until 12 noon. So those times have not changed, they're the same as they always have been. Again, Q&A time available on Wednesday from 3 to 3:30. On Wednesday, you are going to want to look at the module page about fossil fuels. And then after you have done that, you will work on completing section B of the gizmo, section B. So by Wednesday evening, you should have the warm-up, part A, and part B of the gizmo done. Thursday, live lessons for 7th period from 11:10 to 11:40 a.m. And then 8th period, you are 11:50 a.m. until 12:20 p.m. And then again, Friday, Q&A time, open office hours on Zoom. These are a little bit earlier. They are from 1:45 until 2:15. So please just make note of that change in time. And you will want to be sure that you complete the modeling carbon and activity C for your gizmo. Please remember that the entire gizmo should be turned in by 10 p.m. That 10 p.m. is your due time, and that the assignment will lock after that. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to use the Canvas inbox. I am going to try to reduce the number of emails that I'm getting through on Canvas inbox by making use of the Q&A and the open office hours on Zoom. So if you have something that's really urgent, please Canvas inbox. If you have something that can wait until an office hour or a live lesson the next day, try to do that. Either way, I am here to support you. I look forward to seeing you guys for our live lessons this week, and welcome back.